Hi you guys, hi YouTubers. So I decided to come on here and do a video for you guys. It's about 11:30 at night. I just got home super late. My makeup is like all gone. I just wanted to get this video done because guess what came today? My Love Me wig. So I wanted to just do a video of me opening my wig for the first time, just so you guys can get the first impressions of the wig. So I know I'm super tired and I'm still sick. So if I look rough, please forgive me. I am sick. I'm trying to get over the cold or flu. I really don't know what it is, but I wanted to do this video for you guys so that once I open the wig, you know, it wouldn't, you guys can see my first reaction. So a little bit, this is my first Love Me wig, and I currently just have on a wig, but this is just a wig I got from my local beauty supply store just because I didn't feel like doing anything to my hair. So when I came home, I just threw off my clothes, put on this tank top, and I wanted to record this for you guys. So this is my first Love Me wig, Love Me hair wig, and this is straight out of the box. So I love the packaging. It's very nice. So as you can see, it comes in a nice sturdy box. So you guys, I'm excited. I'm so ready for this. So let's see what's in the box. So when you open the box, it says enjoy your hair journey from now on. Sorry you guys, I gotta fix the camera. It says, so they send you a little message, and then let's see what else is in here. So here are some Love Me 3D mink lashes. So they give you a set of lashes. Those are cute. It looks like something I would wear. And then you have your wig. So the wig comes in like this nice purple sack. Let's just put that to the side. And yes, my Chinese food is in the back. I'm starting. And let's see what else is in the box. I know a lot of people said that they got a flat iron when they spent over $100, but I didn't receive a flat iron, and this wig was about $200 and something, but I used a promo code, so I got it for like $202, I believe. But they also give you a wig cap, and there's 2 pieces in here. And so this is something that I will just put my makeup on to color it the color of my scalp. You also get a Love Me hair, how to care for your hair and wig, frequently asked questions about the product, and how to use your hair and wig. Also, you get a return and refunds instructions and contact us. So pretty good. They tell you how to care for the wig in case of tangles, and just little things about your unit and cap size. And then I also got this nice little pouch, and in the pouch, let's see what's in the pouch. You get a rat tail comb, which is good for laying your wig down. 2 hair clips. Some Love Me hair wax stick, which is really needed for like flyaways. Some bobby pins. some tweezers, which you can use for plucking out some of the hair around your edges on your wig, if you would like to do that type of thing. And then you also get a wig elastic band in case you want to sew it on your wig for the back to make your unit tighter around your head, just depending on your head size. I have a pretty big head, so I don't think I have to worry about that type of thing. So now to the fun part. Let's open the wig. So I'm so excited. Okay, so you guys, I'm not gonna, well, I don't think I'm gonna put the wig on tonight because I'm so exhausted, and I really just wanted to make this video just so you guys can see. Oh my God. So my shredder just fell and all the papers fell on the floor. Okay, so you guys, this is the wig. So I ordered the body wave in a 20-inch. Ooh, look at it. And you can see the waves in it just while it's in the net. I did get it in 20 inches. So let's just take this out so we can see. They have it packaged very well. So it comes with like this cushion around the lace. And it's in there pretty well. Okay, I'm actually gonna take this off so you guys can see. So you guys, the hair is really soft. Smell. Okay, so the smell, it kind of smells like a hair store, to be honest. So it doesn't have like a stinking smell or anything, like it's been packaged. It just honestly smells like the hair store. So this is it. Just so you guys can see the lace. It's the undetectable lace. So that's how it looks against my skin tone. And I'm not in the best lighting. Okay, so as you can see, it comes with some pre-plucked edges. It looks pretty good. I'll probably just go in a little bit. The inside, it does have an adjustable band on the inside. Excuse me, already. It also comes with 4 combs. So you get 4 combs in the inside and the adjustable band as well. So that's really good. So it's a 360 unit and you get 4 combs in the inside. So that's really good. That's really, really good. I'm excited about that actually. So this is the unit, you guys. So I'm going to make another video installing this unit, but I just wanted to make a video of me unboxing the 360 undetectable lace unit from Luvme Hair. I'm in love. I can't wait to put her on. She's gonna be amazing. Thanks, you guys. And please subscribe to my channel. Talk to you later.